This is the first time that I've toured a house here in Barangay Bagong Bayan, and it has a 360-degree view of the metro around it. You have a gorgeous neighborhood and even better skylines. So you're in an exclusive subdivision, you have this exclusive view, and I can't wait to show you around. Alright, so from the road, this is what will greet you, and immediately it has curbside appeal. I don't know if it's because there are trees right in front of it, it just looks so serene, but it's probably everything combined, the colors, the texture, the fact that you have open space here on the right side of the property for your single vehicle carport. Well, actually it depends, kasya naman dalawa, but in this case, since you have a quite massive vehicle here, edi isa lang, so that you can open the doors wide open and not hit any of the walls. Now on the rightmost portion of the property, you have a side gate, and then on the left side, you have a vehicle gate for the rest of your cars, and then also another one right here for the pedestrian. So as you enter, you can see also that the gate is automated, so it's gonna roll that way. So anyhow, this is your other carport, but this time obviously it's more private, it's more hidden. All in all, you can fit 4 vehicles. And then you have your main entrance here in the center. You have another side access over to the left, but we'll get there in a bit. So over here, you have your solid wooden main entrance with a beautiful handle and then a glass panel on the right side. Pero hindi pa tapos yung bahay actually. This is super brand new. It's not yet even finished completely. So, wala pa yung glass. And wala pa yung ibang mga fixtures in the house, which you will see in a bit. Hi, Paul.
Hi.
Okay, guys. So this is Paul. He is one of our Presello realtors. So actually, I will need you for the details for this one mamaya. But for now, asan ba tayo?
It's in Barangay Bagong Bayan.
Okay, beautiful barangay, and this is actually very near Eastwood.
Yes, Eastwood and near Ortigas area.
Yeah, so very accessible
Yes,
siya,
very accessible.
in other words. So it's a very prime location.
Yes, very prime and exclusive subdivision.
Actually, very exclusive and strict, no? Strict
Yeah,
yung
very
mga
strict.
tao dito. I mean, the security, which is great. Okay, sige. So, Paul, I will see you later for the recap.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Sige. Bye-bye. All right. So, as you enter, you immediately see the rest of the ground floor, right? As well as your main entrance. But the first door that you will see on your left is bedroom number 1. And it also has an ensuite toilet and bath, with, of course, your sink, toilet, and then shower space. So again, super brand new. Marami pong mga bagay na hindi pa naka-install, including the mirrors, the glass, etc. But yeah, okay, so now about this bedroom. Yes, you can definitely turn it into a bedroom, obviously, but since it's on the ground floor and right next to the main entrance, it's also perfect as an office or as a den, especially since you have windows here that peer over your 2-vehicle carport. I mean, just in case gusto mo magtrabaho, nakita yung mga kotse mo, right? Okay, so out in here, in this portion, this would be perfect as your living space. You have really high ceiling because it's open above. You also have those beautiful chandeliers. And then over here, excuse me, you have your dining space. So you have cove lighting, you have down lights or pin lights. So nakatapat na rin siya sa kitchen. And then if you open up these sliding doors, it's just cross ventilation, and that makes it feel breezier. So obviously, wala pa yung, hindi pa naka-install yung counters and everything, but you can already imagine what it's gonna look like. So you have counters over here, and over there, storage all around. So it's gonna be fitted by the end of July siguro. Tapos na to. That is my fearless forecast. And then from here, ay sorry po. Sige, dyan lang kayo, okay lang. Maraming tao. From here, you can go to the service area out in the side, which will also lead you to the male staff quarters and the female staff quarters with their own toilet and baths. In-store ko pa sila. I'm so sorry. Okay, so before we head up the stairs, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. If you want to see more houses here in Quezon City, make sure you go to our website and check out our listing at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. Also, spoiler alert, this does have 6 bedrooms, all with ensuite toilet and baths, and I have a challenge for you. Guess how much this actually costs. We're gonna post the price in the description after maybe a week, but we'll let you guess first. Okay, so here on the second floor, we have 2 bedrooms. Sorry, meron pala akong nakalimutan banggitin kanina. May elevator. So right next to the door of bedroom number 1 on the ground floor, you have another door which is actually your elevator. So now, here we have bedroom number 2. So you have this much space. You actually do have a lot of space. The ceiling is higher than the standard, and then you have pin lights and a directional light here in the center. So it's up to you where you want to direct your lights. You have windows on 2 walls. There you go. And then, of course, you have an ensuite toilet and bath. Again, with a sink, a toilet, and then your shower space. The bathrooms, again, have down lights. No exhaust needed because it's still high ceiling. And then you have this massive awning window at the end, which is very similar to the one downstairs. Okay. And now, over here, we have bedroom number 3, or the master bedroom. So you have so much space. It's quite literally half of the entire floor space. Like, this is taking up kalahati na nung lote, almost. So you have windows on 3 sides. So if you're wondering bakit tatlo, this one actually peers over your living area. So it's just nice. And I mean, it's another way for light to come through. So it's nice and bright, maaliwalas. And at the same time, you can see your guests. And then, over here, we have the ensuite toilet and bath with his and her sinks, a bathtub, a shower space. Your toilet is over there. And then you have your walk-in closet. I'm not even sure if you can call this a closet anymore. It's just basically a walk-in wardrobe area. So again, hindi pa tapos yung mga finishing, but you do have a lot of space for your wardrobe. So you're gonna have hanging rods over there, you have shelving over here, lots of drawers, and then vanity na his and hers. Yeah. You can tell that these are gonna be for the accessories. And tama ba, buting-ting? Buting-ting is like small items, right? Mga maliliit na bagay. Hindi ba? Ay, okay, mali. So, anyway, mga maliliit na bagay, makeup, gano'n. Hala, okay, another thing we have to put in the comments, guys. Ano sa Tagalog yung mga maliliit na items? Anik-anik, pwede yung anik-anik. Pero may iba ako iniisip pero pwede na yun, anik-anik. Okay, so now let's head up the 3rd floor. Oh, but before we do though, check out the window. So those are the vertical slats that you saw from the exterior. So from the corner of the house, you see those, and from the inside, that's what it looks like. So it's pretty cool. Okay, so now that we're closer here, you can see these design details. So it's matte black, but the first thing that I noticed is the fact na I-beams to. It's the structural beams na instead of hiding it, they put it on display, so that makes it look pretty cool and industrial while still being sleek and modern. I mean, of course it's gonna be modern while being sleek. Okay, so here on the 3rd floor, you have the family area. So you have this open space where everyone can just gather. You can probably have a TV set up over here, and then yung mga outlets. So you can have your TV or theater set up over here, some couches, a coffee table, and again, somewhere that the family can just relax and put their feet up without being without being disturbed by possible guests on the ground floor. The floor is also beautiful, speaking of floor, and it continues all the way into the bedrooms. Okay, speaking of bedrooms, here we have bedroom number 4. And check this out. This particular room has a literal floor-to-ceiling window. And since you have a tree at the front of your property, that is your view. Hindi lang yun. You can also see some parts of Eastwood actually. And then some sky over there. Medyo makulimlim lang today, but this is a really nice view of your neighborhood. Oh, as well as your eaves. Your beautiful eaves. And again, you have an ensuite, toilet and bath. It's a similar layout with your sink, toilet, and your shower space, but they used a different design for the tiles. So again, subtle changes, similar layout, but the finishes or the materials are different. Para may konting character, you know, so you can choose which room you like and which one is more you. Okay, so in between these two rooms, again, you have access to the elevator. And then over here, we have bedroom number 5. So you have this much space. Again, you have you have lighting. You have down lights or pin lights, and then a directional light in the center. Then over here, you have the ensuite, toilet and bath. So this one's a different configuration. This one is actually squarish. So you have your sink, your toilet, and then your shower space over here. And again, you have you have a ceiling that's higher than the standard, and then you have an awning window over here for ventilation. And then bedroom number 6, right next to this one. So obviously this one is at the back of the property, so you have a completely different view from the other bedrooms. So this time you have a view of the Ortigas skyline right over there. And then you have an ensuite, toilet and bath right here with a sink, toilet, and a shower space. But I love that even if hindi pa siya tapos, no, you can already tell how big the mirror is gonna be. At least you have an idea. And then, take note guys, this is the 4th floor. Tama ba? Oh, this is the 3rd floor. This is the 3rd floor, and now we're gonna head up the 4th. And buti tinanggal na nila yung kanina kasi naka-tarpaulin to, so super hindi pa siya tapos. But now I know that it's glass pala, so light actually does come in to the family area from the outdoor stairs. So when you open the door here, you are now in your rooftop garden. So over here, as your 4th floor, we have the entire roof deck for you to use for gatherings, for late afternoon parties. Ang ganda, diba? You have a jacuzzi, swimming pool over here. And then you have a view all around, literally 360-degree view of the metro around you. Eastwood right there, Ortigas over there, the rest of Quezon City, parts of Marikina, Pasig. Ganda. So you have a kitchen set up over here, perfect for entertaining guests, right? You can also have your washing machines if you want. Your tanks are over here, and then the rest of the floor has grass in it, again for that very outdoorsy vibe, because you're already outdoor. Oh man, this is gonna look absolutely beautiful at night. Sunsets are probably gorgeous here. Okay, so that is the whole house. Let's now head downstairs and meet Paul for the recap. Oh, and before that, here are some beautiful B-rolls. Okay. Oh, wala na yung kotse. Hi, Paul.
Hello.
Alright, so ako pala, technically, lahat kami, went around the house already, so now it's time for the recap. So kindly do the honors.
The lot area is 300 square meter. The floor area is 473 square meter. This property has 6 bedrooms with ensuite, 6 toilet and bath. Also, 4-car garage. And also, I have one unique feature I love in this property. It has a 360 views of roof deck and jacuzzi pool.
Ganda nga
Yes.
no? Pag nakatayo ka dun sa
It's
gitna.
very beautiful.
It's so nice. Okay, so again, this is in an exclusive subdivision here in Barangay Bagong
Bagong
Bayan.
Bayan, yes.
Alright, at least dalawa na kami na nagko-confirm. Hindi lang ako. So, I love having you here, Paul. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you,
sharing the
thank you.
details with us. And guys,
Julia.
if you love this house tour, make sure you watch it with your family, share it to your friends, or if you want to see it for yourself, make sure you contact us, contact Paul at Presello or www.presello.com. So, invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. See you next time, guys. Bye. Hey guys, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, make sure you click here. And if you want to see more house tour videos, click right here. And we also have this new thing called Working Lunch with Presello, where I and a few random people talk about a few random things related to real estate. So if you want to join in on the conversation, make sure you click right here.